Hello everyone. Today I am going to share you two simple refreshing salads for all seasons, especially summer. So today we'll see two kachumber salad recipes. One is normal and the other is with dahi. Chalo, we'll quickly get into the video without any further ado. It's really very simple to make. Just add 1 cup of chopped cucumber, chopped onions, some finely chopped tomatoes, some finely chopped green chilies, some pepper powder, a pinch of salt, some chaat masala, some lemon juice, then to the final touch add some chopped coriander leaves. And yes, you're done. Just mix it up nicely and enjoy your salad. So our first kachumber salad, which is normal one, is ready. Now we'll see how to make the Dahi Kachumber salad recipe. It's also very simple. Just take 2 tablespoons of curd and blend it nicely. Blend it till it gets creamy consistency. Yes, we're almost there. Once we get this consistency, just add the kachumber which we made previously. Mix the ingredients with curd nicely. And then add 1 tablespoon of honey if needed. If you don't like it, just ignore. Now just give the ingredients a good mix and enjoy your Dahi Kachumber salad. So these two salads are really refreshing and you must try them and tell me how did they turn out. So here is our salad number 2, Dahi Kachumber. You can also use this as a raita for biryani or any flavored rice. Yeah, that's all for today guys. I hope you liked watching my video. If you like more recipes like this, please stay connected. So chalo, we'll catch up in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.